Hello students, today in this video I am explaining you the question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 11.2. The problem is, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 and BC is 8 centimeter. So first of all we'll draw BC equals to 8 centimeter. This is BC equals to 8 centimeter. Name this as B point and this one as C point. Now angle B is 90 degree. So at the point B we will draw a right angle triangle. Right angle. So it is 90 degree. This is 60. Was 120 and their bisector. So this will be 90 degree. So draw a right angle. And from this AB is 6 centimeter. So cut an arc of 6 centimeter. So from here we will draw 6 centimeter. From here it is 6 centimeter. So this length is 6 centimeter and name this point as A and join it like this way. Yes, so it is a right angle triangle, and this construction, this type of, up to this part you already done in lower classes, but still I explained you that how to make a right angle. This is 8 centimeter. This is 90 degree. Now the next is BD is perpendicular from B on AC. Now this step is little complicated and important. From here you cut a arc in such a way that this arc is intersecting AC at 2 points. So take the radius little bigger than this line, little away from this line. First of all, again once more, take a arc and cut in this way. Then from this point, cut a arc here, and from this point again you cut a arc here. And join this, one arc from this side, one arc from here. Once more you see, cut the arc from here and cut the arc from here. See once more, cut the arc from this part and then cut the arc from this part. And now join it. So you will find the perpendicular from B and name this angle is 90 degree, name this point as D point. So BD is perpendicular on AC. The next part, a circle through BCD, you have to draw a circle. So here you know this angle is 90 degree. So if I draw a circle by taking BC as a diameter, then definitely it will pass through D. So first of all we will find the midpoint of BC. For midpoint of BC, take more than half, cut here and cut here, perpendicular bisector. And from this point you cut at this point and this point. That will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. With the help of this perpendicular bisector, we will be able to find the midpoint. Our main objective is to find the midpoint. So this O is the midpoint of BC. Now, when we take this midpoint and taking this OD as a diameter, radius, definitely this circle will pass through all the points. So here, by taking this, draw a circle, and what you observe, that this circle will pass through all the points. This circle will pass through all the points like this. So you draw the circle now, almost it will pass from all the points. Like this, the circle will touch all the points. Now This is 90 degree angle in semicircle, so circle will pass through B, C and D. The next part is construct the tangents from A. See this now. You know this angle is 90 degree, this is center, this is radius and this is a line. And the angle between them is 90. So definitely, dear students, this will be the tangent. So AB is the tangent, you can extend it like this. So this is the tangent. Now the length of this tangent from A is 6 centimeter. So here you can take another point at a distance of 6 centimeter, because you all know that the length of two tangents are always equal. So name it as E and join this A to E. Join this A to E. So we can say here that this is another tangent. So which are the two tangents? The two tangents is AB and AE are tangents from A point. So I hope this part is clear to you all. In this way we can make the construction, proper construction. Please see this video nicely and then draw this diagram. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you. Once more I am explaining you. Draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular from here. Find the perpendicular bisector. Draw a circle and extend this AB. And this AB is 6. So you draw AE also 6. So in this way you will get the required figure. Thank you.